everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 Insider video. My name's Ed, and in this video it's another quick tip video. I actually want to show you when you upgrade your operating system. So let's say you're moving from one build to another build, like a big jump, or you are installing clean, like you say do not keep any files or folders, etc. You have this folder that it's called windows.old. Now, windows.old contains the previous operating system with all its files, etc., and that generally chews up quite a bit of space. So, just wanted to show you today that if you did go down that avenue and you are running out of space, just go check the windows.old if you have one, delete it, and you should get back 15, 20 plus gigs of space. Maybe you've got a machine that doesn't need you to free up space because you've got like a 2 terabyte disk, for example. But in a case where if you got like a 250 gig solid state drive or a 100 gig disk, for example, and this applies to obviously any upgrades that you do, then sorry, you can then go and just remove this. Best to remove it through command line because then it deletes everything. If you try to do it normally through the folder view or Windows Explorer, it then gives you access denied error and needs permissions, etc. So just a quick tip, that's how you clear up old space. Thank you very much for watching.